Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group, and what I want to show you today is the EMS quick change system. The importance of the quick change system is for products that are difficult, if not even possible, to hoop. Take, for example, dog collars, karate belts, these sort of items. You can't hoop them, but people need those with embroidery. So they've come out with the quick change, and you can get it with just one window, or you can get it in a set of 7 different size windows for different projects, ranging from just collars on shirts all the way to pant legs or down the sleeves of shirts. The way you use it, the thumb screw you loosen, and then you can take out the window and put on the new one for the project that you're working with. And again, you just come back, tighten it, and you're ready to go. Now, to get the products to hold onto the window, you're going to need peel and stick. Peel and stick I have right here, and I look at the size window, kind of figure out what size cut I'm going to need. And for the size, because you want good coverage on the bottom of this frame. So with this peel and stick, you just peel, and the one that has the sticky, then you place it down, put it on the bottom side, press to make sure you got a good and tight. I'm just going to cut off this excess here. Now I can lay across even patches. I've had customers actually do their patches with this. It's already a finished patch. They put it on, it sticks, and now we can embroider. Dog collars, military name tapes, anything that you cannot hoop traditionally, even gloves. I've used a smaller window to slit it and stuck it with the double-sided tape. And now your embroidery is so. You want more information? Give us a call here at Graphic Solutions Group and let us outfit you with the new quick change from EMS.